Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today I'm going to share with you all how I do a very simple dish, cheese paste. Kids love it, adults love it too, because I love it, I love cheese. But I'm going to share my recipe of cheese paste. Right, we're going to add just a little salt, because cheese already, this New Zealand cheddar we use already is a little sharp and has salt in it already. Chive, garlic, Chadon Beni, some brown sugar to taste, pimento, red onions, some black pepper, mustard, and mayonnaise. Quick and easy recipe. You mix, you try to get it as evenly as possible. Or after doing this part, if you want the cheese a little more finer, you could just put this whole mixture in a processor and let it come even finer than this. I like my cheese paste a little chunky.